Oh, 2021. What a year.
What even happened in 2021? I'm actually going to have to think about this for a little bit.
2021 to me, it's definitely been a year of growth.
For me personally, it's been the year of self-awareness and progression.
Definitely a lot of changes.
2021 is like the year of chaos, but like good chaos.
It's really exciting. The company went public. We hired a bunch of new people, got a bunch of new teammates.
I started at Markforged this September and have been here for a few months.
I have been here for a little bit more than 3 months.
I just started last week, so that's a pretty good moment.
I started working about 6 months ago, so made a bunch of great friendships here, and it's just great to have a second family where I work now and really truly feel that way. Both of you need to go away.
I wanted you to say that you met your best friend as well.
I would say the top Markforged moment for me this year has to be the day of the IPO.
Number one was getting to go down to the New York Stock Exchange and working on the bell for that and spending many hours just polishing away to get it nice and shiny.
I mean, that's absolutely the thing I'm proudest of. The whole company participated in doing something truly awesome.
I don't know if I'm allowed to say this, but the boat party was pretty fun.
Planning a summer boat party in 4 days was a top moment, and it was awesome.
But yeah.
The company seems to be, it looks and feels different every few months. That's one of the reasons I work at Markforged, is because of that growth trajectory and the fact that things keep changing, things keep moving, and we're evolving fast.
In 2022, I think Markforged will go to the moon.
To infinity and beyond.
We will sell a ton of FX20s and a ton of Center 2s, and we will keep rolling and keep the good times going.
We're going to conquer the world. I'm looking forward to getting out my big boot and helping us get that done very fast.
I'm just thrilled to be able to be outside breathing air with my friends.
After a year apart, being together in the office and working as a team, coming together has been a huge impact for me in the year of our Lord 2021.
I'm grateful for working with a lot of really smart, really talented, really passionate people. It's the reason why I joined, and it's the reason why I'm still around here.
My favorite Markforged value is one team.
One team.
One team.
Definitely one team.
I believe that's really what we are.
I feel so supportive every day.
We solve problems at Markforged and everyone gets in on it.
It's the reason we show up, and it's the reason that the company is doing as well as it will and as well as it's going to do in the future.